Good morning to one and all. So in this session, we are going to discuss about how to lock virtual machine, resources, and subscription. Why the lock is required in Azure is to prevent other users in your organization from accidentally deleting or modifying the critical resources. For that, the locking we are using. There are two types of locks are providing. Two types of locks are providing. One is a delete lock. Second one is a read-only lock. Azure is providing two types of locking. Delete. Second one is read-only. If you are using delete lock, means authorized users can still read and modify a resources, but they can't delete the resource. If the lock is used read-only, the authorized users can read a resource, but they cannot delete or update resources. The Azure is providing two types of lockings. Now we will see these with hands-on, how to lock virtual machine, resources, and the subscription. I open my Azure account, sign in, enter your mail ID and the password. Okay. This is Azure environment. First, I'm creating the resource group. You know well how we had to create the resource group. Click on resource group. Here, create option is there. Click on create. Subscription is pay as you go. Resource group name is US 102 I am given. Region Central India I am selecting. Click on review plus create. Click on review. Resource group is created. See that US 102 resource group is created. Now, first what we had to do to lock the virtual machine, resources, and the subscription. That is the first step is first we had to discuss how to lock the virtual machine. For that, what we had to do? We had to create the virtual machine. It may be Linux virtual machine or the Windows virtual machine we had to create. That's why first I am creating the resource group. Under the resource group, I create one virtual machine. So click on virtual machine. Click on create option. You have to choose Azure virtual machine. Subscription is pay as you go. Just now I create the resource group is US 102. That's we had to select it. Virtual machine name I am selecting as Linux 102 I am selecting, or the Linux server 102 I am selecting. Region is Central India. Availability zone 1. The image operating system I am chosen Linux. Ubuntu I am chosen. If you want to launch the Windows, you can choose the Windows also. Scroll down. VM architecture 64. Size B1S I am selecting. Standard. It's providing 1 CPU, 1 GB memory is providing. Scroll down. Authentication type SSH public key. Here, username for this virtual machine, I am given as Azure user. Okay. Scroll down. Key pair, that is automatically it is providing. Scroll down. You are launch and connect the Linux server. That's why port is SSH. Port number is 22. Direct, we can click on review plus create. Okay, click on create. Download private key and create resource. Click on this option. It is downloading PEM file format in your downloads option. Okay, now it is in progress. Wait for few minutes. That is to explain how to log virtual machine, resources, and the subscription. First, I have to explain how to log the virtual machine. For that, I am creating one virtual machine. Linux virtual machine I am creating. Okay. And also I create to explain how to log the resource. One resource group I am creating. The resource group name is US102. Resource group name. This is. Okay. Now, open that. Virtual machine is created. See that. Linux server 102 virtual machine is created. Click on this one. Here, under settings, lock option is there. See that? Lock option is there. Here, we had to choose lock. Click on this one. Here, add option is there. Go to add option. Lock name we had to give. Virtual machine 102 I am given. The note, if you want to write some note, then we can provide the note. I am given the same name. Here, the lock type Azure is providing two types. One is delete, second one is read only. These two it is providing. Azure is supporting two types of locks, read only and delete. Now, you may select anyone. I am selecting delete option. What I explained the delete, if you are chosen the lock type is delete, authorized users can still read, modify a resource, but they can't delete the resource. Okay, click on OK option. Now, click on your virtual machine, Linux server 102. Now we have to click on delete option. You delete the virtual machine. Click on that. Put the tick mark, delete. Here you are getting a message. What the message you are getting? See at the last one. Wait. What the message you are getting? See here in this. Here, please remove, lock and try again. Means you lock the virtual machine. Once if you delete the lock, then the virtual machine is deleted. So that's how we have to lock the virtual machine. Next, how to lock the resource group. Now, click on this home page. Resource group is US102. Now, here, in this under settings, lock option is there. Click on this one. Click on add option. Under the resource group, your virtual machine is there. That is locked. Now you lock the resource group. That is, you lock the resource group 102. Click on add option. You had to give the lock name is resource group RG102. Same I am providing the note also. Here you had to choose the lock type, read only or delete. If you are chosen delete, authorized users can read and modify a resource, but they can't delete the resource. If you are chosen read only, authorized users can read a resource, but they cannot delete or update the resource. Here I am chosen for this resource group. I am providing the lock type is read only. Click on OK option. Now, you try to delete the resource group. Okay, go to the home page, resource group. Click on this resource group. You try to click on delete resource group. Copy this one. Here, you have to paste it. Put the tick mark, click on delete option. Delete. Then what the message you are getting at the notification? The resource group US102 is locked and cannot be deleted. Click here to manage locks for this resource group. Means you can't delete the resource group US102 that is locked. Similarly, if you want to lock the subscription also, we have to lock. That is, click on this one. Here, under the locks, subscription is there. See that. Click on this option. Here, click on add option is there. Pay as you go subscription. Click on add option. You have to give the lock name is subscription. SS102 I am given. Lock name. Same I am providing the note. I am using the lock type is delete. Click on OK. You can't delete the subscription also. After completion of your practice, you have to delete the lock. Otherwise, your resource groups, subscription, and the virtual mission, you can't delete. That's why I'm deleting those resource groups. Okay. Subscription I am deleting. Delete option is there. Resource group you have to delete. Locking we have to delete. Virtual mission lock is also we can delete. Now you go to the home page, go to the virtual mission, click on your virtual mission. Now we have to choose the delete option. Put the tick mark, click on delete. Now it is deleting a virtual mission. Now it is accepting. After deleting the lock, then the virtual mission is delete, the resource group is delete, and the subscription is also delete. Okay. Those are the steps we had to follow how to lock virtual mission, resources, and the subscription. Okay. Thank you.